Hello, everyone, and it's me. So, yeah, Slick underscore plays. Never seen my face before. Um, okay, so today we'll be doing crazy cat lady home, and I'll be staying for a whole day. A whole day. Do you get this? Oh, sorry for the echoes too. It's so dark. Yeah. For a whole day. That's literally crazy. Also remember, let's see what she's gonna say. Also remember to two more videos until the giveaway. Yeah. Yep. This is important. She's gonna tell. Well, maybe not. Comment and sub and yeah, comment your Roblox username and subscribe to maybe win this. Yep, a hoverboard. Well, a nice hoverboard. So yeah, comment and subscribe to win a hoverboard, and maybe I'll give you one of my pets. I'm legendaries though. I'm crazy. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait and time to rob this old bat. Now let's go inside and rob this lady, cause cats. Why? This isn't your. This isn't your home. You will be here. What? For a whole day? What? No! No, 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 please don't try me. Oh, it's a cute little cat, but there's so many. Oh, you're mad. Oh, why does she have so many cats? That just scares me. And she has a cat that looks just like her wallpaper. um. Okay, she has a cat that looks exactly like her wallpapers. I think she's mad. I don't want to go around, but maybe she'll let me. This is. You're playing me. Doo-doo on a carpet? This is food, Yeah. Probably with a bunch of cat food. Do you eat cat food? Is she said? Ew. Oh no, that's nasty. Come now. This is my doo-doo room. Oh, why does she use the doo-doo word very frequently? This is my room. Is your cat your baby? OMG. You gave Birth? Birth? You gave birth to a cat? You gave birth to a cat? Ooh. Money. I really like money. What? Hashtags. No. What do you mean, no? uh, that has to be some money. It's a safe. What else would you put in a... Oh. Don't... Oh my god. It's emergency cat food for when the world is ending. Um... So... Um... How are you even living? How are you even living? You're crazy. How are you even living? You will stay until tomorrow? Why? Where will I sleep? Where will I sleep? Really? It's day? Am I free now? With cat hair? Oh, no. Tomorrow night? Oh my god. Doggy. Attack. And I'll give you treats. Oh man. I have no treats. What do you even do here? What do you even do here? Just let me out. No. No. Why? What show is this? Grandma fight. They look. Why are they walking like that? They have their cane and they're like, whoa! And they're like, I'm gonna beat you up. What is this? I won't ever buy a cat. If this is when I was a little girl. No, it's gonna be one of those stories. Oh, I had no money. Ooh, I feel a bit bad. She had no money. I have no money. When I saw a free cat, my life changed. Whoa. Does that mean if I get a cat, my life will change? Whoa, this is big insight. I became devoted to finding cats. Devoted? So here I am with a bunch of cats and poo poo on the floor, and a cat right there, and a cat right there, and a cat right there, and a cat right here, and cats on her walls. 100 years old. 100. And my daughter has never came. Oh. Oh, I feel bad. I tried to rob her. Yes. I made some real food. Real food? My mom's recipe. Dumplings. Ooh, chicken dumplings? Those are my favorite. I love chicken dumplings. Thank you. Eats. There's a bit of cat hair in it. Maybe it's because she has a cat on her head, a cat on her shoulder. Oh, I need that. Grabs. Okay, then. I'm just gonna. I'm bored now. Ooh. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll just put these chicken dumplings up. Yes? I made a scarf for you. Thank you. Now let me just put on this scarf. I wonder what this scarf is. Well, she said it's a scarf, so it must be like a normal scarf. Ooh, it's a pretty little scarf. Maybe yeah. It's a nice scarf. It's made out of white cat hair. A bunch of cat hair. It's a bit scratchy, but it'll do. Oh. You can go. Well, now I've figured out the life of a cat lady. Thank you for everything. I might just visit you more often. I haven't had a visit in a long time. I'm so sorry about your daughter. I did not know that the lady I was gonna rob was so nice. Puts on cat fights. Well. Okay. Fight, 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 fight. Thank you for watching. This video is named what the title says. And thank you for watching. This video was made with effort. Very much effort we took. Remember our giveaway? Yes, remember our giveaway. I tried to voice act, but yeah, remember our giveaway because this video was made with sentimental thoughts and we thought this video was going to be perfect, which it was. Aw, dumpling dog. So yeah, remember our giveaway and subscribe and comment your Roblox username to maybe win a hoverboard. Yeah, look at the hoverboard. Don't you think a rat in a hoverboard would look nice? Yeah, like y'all are potatoes. Potatoes on a hoverboard would look beautiful. And remember, never rob a cat lady because they always have a sad story. Bye! Bye! And thank you for